Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm Ryan Chan, your host and the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore crucial aspects of preventive maintenance that are often overlooked across various industries. We will discuss why it's essential to monitor fluid levels in your mechanical assets, the importance of maintaining remote assets, and the challenges of reaching difficult-to-access equipment. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of these key areas and how to manage them effectively in your maintenance schedule. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned and let's get started. It's easy to overlook the importance of checking fluids in your equipment. For instance, hydraulic fluid in machinery needs to be monitored regularly to ensure it remains at consistent levels and free of contamination. Lubrication is another area that often gets neglected, sometimes due to poor scheduling. Too much time might pass between each lubrication check, resulting in damage to the asset as fluid runs out or gets contaminated. But don't worry, this problem can be corrected. By using data to adjust your routine maintenance schedule and tracking friction levels in moving parts on critical assets, you can know precisely when a fluid change is needed. Next up, let's talk about remote assets. Did you know that about 3 out of every 10 assets operate remotely? That's a significant number. However, the costs of sending technicians out to handle issues with these assets can get a bit high, especially for companies that have equipment in multiple places out in the field. As a result, they tend to be neglected, especially if they aren't strictly mission critical. But there's a solution for this too. Condition monitoring using remote sensors can be a lifesaver. Preventive maintenance tasks are difficult to perform on equipment that's far from your main operations, so shifting over to predictive maintenance may be the best option in this case. Lastly, let's not forget about those hard-to-reach assets. Some pieces of plant floor equipment are just difficult to access. They might be stuck behind other pieces of equipment, or they might have shielding or parts that get in the way. In many cases, equipment that's up on the roof, like fans or ventilation turbines, might be overlooked as well. The difficulty of accessing these assets often means they get neglected during regular preventive maintenance. Accessing these assets may require extra downtime from nearby equipment, so maintenance planning is crucial. A CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, can help you schedule downtime for the asset in question in order to cause minimum disruptions to your operations. In conclusion, better monitoring and maintenance planning can help you keep on top of each of these types of preventive maintenance. So, don't let these tasks slip through the cracks. Stay on top of your preventive maintenance and keep your operations running smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the importance of monitoring fluid levels, maintaining remote assets, and managing hard-to-reach equipment. Remember, preventive maintenance is key to smooth operations. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more and keep your operations running smoothly.